Top 5 RRSP myths. Myth: having a pension plan means no RRSP. Truth: having a pension doesn't prevent RRSP contributions. Myth: RRSPs are only for retirement. Truth: RRSPs can be used for other purposes like the home buyer's plan, lifelong learning plan, or even a loss of job. Myth: contributing to an RRSP means paying more taxes. Truth: RRSP contributions are tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income. Myth: RRSPs are only for specific investments. Truth: RRSPs can be invested properly, from stocks to cash. Strongly consider a solid mutual fund for your long-term retirement goals. Myth: TFSAs are better than RRSPs. Truth: both have advantages. RRSPs offer tax deductions, while TFSAs have tax-free growth and withdrawals. Make informed decisions.